Stop dwelling in your past. The past is gone. Face the present. Face the reality. Avoid self-pity, not for happiness, not for justification, not for excuses. The world and you are what they are, and you can't change. Your only option is conformity. Success is not final. Failure is not final. The courage to continue is what counts. Get up and move on. Do not worry about tomorrow. Tomorrow will take care of itself. Each passing day has enough trouble of its own. Worrying is necessary if by worrying you can solve the situation, but if by worrying you cannot solve the situation, be happy under the rain. Sometimes our worst enemies are our own fears. And what is fear? False evidence appearing real. It's an illusion. What you have to fear is fear itself. Do the thing you fear, and the death of fear is certain. Appreciate what you have, be grateful for them. The power of gratitude conquers all obstacles. Don't dwell on lack, focus on abundance. If you want to wipe a generation, start from the children. Destroying a culture doesn't require burning books. Just stop people from reading them. Abolish history of the culture. Stop talking about it. Don't carry it on the news, and the culture will die a natural death. Don't look back. You're not going that way. Look forward. Remain focused. Be compassionate on yourself. Everyone makes mistakes. If you tell the truth, you don't have to remember anything. Liars must have good memory, or else they will be exposed. Make and keep friends with people you admire, not those who simply accept you. Choose your friends. The people you associate with could shape your future. Surround yourself with the type of people you will like to be and you will become. Save money, don't be extravagant. Avoid maxing out your credit cards. Happiness comes from financial stability. Don't live frugally either. You have only one life. You can always change your path in life. There's time to take a new direction. That time is now. Worrying about other people's opinions, listen to the inner voice coming from within you, is futile. Life is a tragedy for those who believe it is, but a comedy for those who think so. Do not take life seriously because you can't get out of it alive. Thinking is hard work, which is why very few engage in it. Being an advisor is a full-time political job. There are three major events in a man's life: birth, life, and death. He isn't conscious of being born. He isn't conscious when he dies. Don't forget to live the conscious life to the fullest. Manage your mood, for if it doesn't obey, it commands. To understand the world, sometimes you have to turn away from it. If it's not right, don't do it. If it's not true, don't say it. True love never ends because it is infinite. Life is like a book with sad and happy chapters. Every part of it is necessary for the full story. Take good care of your health if you want to enjoy your life. Without it, you are in trouble. Move in your own direction, not according to societal or familial pressures. Follow your heart. Have opinion of your own. It's not a lack of time, but a lack of priority. Discipline brings freedom. You make out time for what is important to you. To know your enemy, you must become your enemy. Step out of your comfort zone. Children learn by imitation, not words. Don't overlook contempt. It's often real and often leads to harm. Life is short. Don't delay in doing what you want. Don't sacrifice long-term goals for short-term desires. Shape your world, or someone else will do it for you. The best thing you can do for yourself is to stop telling people your plans. Be proud of your efforts. At your lowest, you learn the most. Experience is a very serious teacher. It's about priorities. Everyone has time for what matters to him or her. Never force, beg, or chase love. It comes freely. Learn some practical skills. You never know when you will need it. Value your time, then others will too. Today's pain becomes tomorrow's strength. Don't delay important medical checkups. You need good health to achieve your dreams. Time heals all wounds. Give it time. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, all the times you learn. Keep what makes you happy quiet, or people will rob you of your happiness. If nobody helps you, do it alone. Be selfish with your time. Many people don't deserve it. Create firm boundaries and be discerning about whom you let into your life. Buy real estate if you can, and your old age is guaranteed. The fewer possessions you own, the less burdened you'll feel. Don't leave to teach a lesson. Leave because you learned yours. Learn to forgive easily. Forgiveness is a door opener, a favor activator. Take the next small step when in doubt, but don't be static. Make sure you're moving. Choose your partner wisely. A wife can make or mar you. Mistakes are essential to learning. Get yourself together before you get older. Change is harder with age. Stay busy, it's the best medicine. Your friends' problems become yours. Keep your circle small. When you were born, you cried and the world rejoiced. Live life in such a way that when you die happily while the world cries. Life is in phases. Be conscious. The noblest work is understanding mankind. Save money regularly. It provides happiness and security. Happiness is not postponed for the future, but designed in the present. Life moves fast. Don't miss it. Your thoughts determine the quality of your mind and the graciousness of your behavior. Do your best and trust the process. Your heart shows the way, your brain guides you to safety. Use both or you'll get lost. Throw off worries with your clothes at night and sleep like a baby. It is important for your health. Lies often become truth if believed. Tie happy reward to every goal you. Never give up on something you truly want. Waiting is hard, but regret is harder. Focus on what you can control and let go of what you can't. A clever person solves problems. A wise person avoids them. Failures are temporary defeats. Life is about creating yourself. It's not what happens, but how you react that matters. Intuition is ahead of knowledge. Be kind even to those you don't care for. Illness is costly. Don't ignore it. Live in the moment. Everything outside it is imagination. Improve your life by consciously changing things around you. Don't leave it to chance. Remain strong when things fall apart. Stand up and confront it. It's better to be understood by the swine than misunderstood by men. Fear exists only in the mind. It's an illusion. Tell your loved ones you love them before it's too late. People's opinions reveal more about them than about you. Marriage takes away your rights and doubles your responsibilities. Who is married man? He is one who has decided to mortgage his freedom in pursuit of happiness. Jealousy pulls you down. Avoid it as much as you can. Learn to grow from your mistakes and experiences. Trust wisely, not blindly. Life is short. If you want to do something, do it now. Shape your world or someone else will. Keep your life private. It empowers you. At your lowest, you learn the most. Everyone has time for what they prioritize. Never force relationships. Learn practical skills and value your time. Today's pain becomes tomorrow's strength. Today's pain becomes tomorrow's strength. Don't delay important health checks. Time heals almost everything. Sometimes you win, sometimes you learn. Keep your happiness quiet. If nobody helps, do it alone. Value your time. Many don't deserve it. Have firm boundaries and be discerning. Buy real estate if you can. The fewer possessions, the less burdened. Leave because you learned your lesson. Take the next step when in doubt. Choose your partner and co-parents wisely. Mistakes are essential to learning. Get yourself together before you get older. No one cares except family. Stay busy, it's the best medicine. Your friends' problems become yours. Keep your circle small. Live so that when you die, the world cries and you rejoice. Life's phases can change anytime. Genius is 1% talent, 99% hard work. Understand mankind. Save money regularly. It provides security. Happiness is designed in the present. Life moves fast. Don't miss it. Your thoughts determine your mind's quality. Do your best and trust the process. Your heart shows the way, your head guides you safely. Use both or get lost. Release worries with your clothes at night. Lies often become truth, if believed. Tie happiness to a goal, not to people or things. Never give up on what you truly want. Waiting is hard, but regret is harder. Focus on what you can control. A wise person avoids problems. Failures are temporary defeat. Create yourself, don't find yourself. It's how you react that matters. Intuition is ahead of knowledge. Be kind to those you don't care for. Illness is costly. Don't ignore it. Live in the moment. Improve your life by changing. Stay strong when things fall apart. It's better to be understood by swine than misunderstood by men. Fear exists only in the mind. Tell loved ones you love them. People's opinions reveal more about them than about you. Marriage changes responsibilities. Jealousy is normal. Grow from pain. Trust wisely. Life is short. Act now. Shape your world. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more inspirational contents.